It is difficult to read, write and compare very small and very large numbers. So, standard form is used to represent them. Thus, very small numbers can be represented in standard form using negative exponents. Standard form is also called the scientific notion. Now, we will go for exercise 12.2, question number 1. Express the following numbers in standard form. So, 0.000000000085. So, that it is, we are having 13 zeros, so that will become 85 divided by 1 13 zeros, that will become 85 divided by 10 raised to the power 13. So, now if you move one digit to your right, so 8.5 into 10 divided by 10 raised to the power 13. Now 8.5 into 10 into the denominator will go to the numerator, it will become 10 raised to the power minus 13. Minus 13 plus 1 will become minus 12. So therefore the answer is 8.5 into 10 raised to the power minus 12. Now second question is, now 0 point, you are having 3 zeros, 0 0 0 0 0 0, then again 2 zeros, then again 3 zeros and 942. So now it will become 900. Now second question is 0 point, you are having it zeros, then afterwards 942, that we will be writing in the fraction part 942 divided by 1, that many zeros. How many, after the decimal, how many digits is there, that many zeros will keep. That is equal to 942 divided by 10 raised to the power 14. So now for removing, keeping the decimal, 9.42 into, we have moved 2 digits, so it will become 10 raised to the power 2 divided by 10 raised to the power 14. So 9.42 into 10 raised to the power 2 into 10 raised to the power minus 14. So 9.42 into 10 raised to the power 2 minus 14 is minus 12. Now third one is 602 and we are having 13 zeros with this. So that will become 602 into all the digit zeros, we have kept it separately. So 602 into 10 to the power 13. So 6.02 into 10 to the power 2 into 10 to the power 13. So 6.02 into 2 plus 13 will become 15. So 6.02 into 10 to the power 15. Question number 4. 0 point, you are having it, total you are having 11 digits after the decimal. So 837 divided by 1, you are having 11 zeros. So 837 divided by 10 to the power 11. For removing the, keeping the decimals, 8.37 into 10 to the power 2 divided by 10 to the power 11. So 8.37 into 10 to the power 2 into 10 to the power minus 11. So 2 minus 11 will become minus 9. So 8.37 into 10 to the power minus 9. Now fifth one is, now 3186 and you are having the zeros, that you are having the 0 is 7 zeros. So 3186 into 1 and 7 zeros will keep. So for keeping the decimals, we are moving it 3 digits to your right. So it is 3.186 into 10 to the power 3 into 10 to the power 7. So 3.186 into 10 to the power 3 plus 7. So 3.186 is 10 to the power 10. Now question number 6. Now question number 2. Express the following numbers in the usual form. First one is 3.02 into 10 to the power minus 6. So for taking out the decimal, we will write down in the exponent power 302 into 10 to the power minus 2 into 10 to the power minus 6. Minus 2 and minus 6, it will become minus 8. So 302 into 10 to the power minus 8. So that we will write it down in the fraction part. So 302 divided by 1, 8 zeros. So that we will write it down after the decimal, we will have 8 digits. Second one, 4.5 into 10 to the power 4. So 4.5 will become 45 by 10 into 10,000. So 10 and 10,000 will be simplified, we will be getting 1000. So 45 into 1000 is 45,000. Third one, 3 into 10 to the power minus 8. So 3 divided by 1, we will keep it on 8 zeros. So that will become 0 point. After the decimal, you will have 8 digits. So last one will be the 3. Fourth one, 1.0001 into 10 to the power 9. So for removing the decimals, we will keep 10,001 divided by 10,000 into 1 will have 9 zeros. So 1 9 zeros and 10,000 will be simplified. We will be getting it only 5 zeros. So along with the number, we will write down 5 more numbers, 5 more zeros with it. Fifth one, 5.8 into 10 to the power 12. So for removing the decimal, it will become 58 by 10 into 1, 12 zeros. So 58 into 1 0 will get it cancelled. So it will become 11 zeros you will be getting. So now 5, 8 and you have to keep it down 11 zeros. Now sixth one, 3.61492 into 10 to the power 6. So for removing the decimals, we have to keep it down. After the decimal, you are having 5 digits. So 3,61492. So 3,61,492 divided by 1 lakh into 1 and 6 zeros. So it will be 5 and 6 zeros. In that 1 will be left. So it will become 36 lakhs 14,920 will be the answer. Question number 3. Express the number appearing in the following statements in standard form. First one is 1 micron is equal to 1 by that number meter. So that it is 1 divided by 10 raised to the power 6 meter. So as it is in the denominator 10 to the power 6, when it goes for the numerator, it will become minus 6. So 1 into 10 to the power minus 6 meter. Therefore, 1 micron equal to 1 into 10 to the power minus 6 meter. Second one, charge of an electron is, you are having this many 0, 16 coulomb. So answer is charge of the electron, what is given in the question, that is 16 divided by 10 to the power 20 coulomb. So 1.6 into, for keeping the decimal, we are keeping 10. So 1.6 into 10 divided by 10 to the power 20 coulomb. So 1.6 into 20 and 20 zeros with 1 zeros, it is simplified, we will get 10 to the power 19 coulomb. So 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19. So charge of the electron is 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. Third one, size of a bacteria is 0.0005 meter. So that when we convert the fractions, 5 divided by 1, 7 zeros. So that we will write it in the exponent form, 5 divided by 10 to the power 7 meter. So that when we are writing 5 into 10 to the power minus 7 meter. Therefore, size of a bacteria is 5 into 10 to the power minus 7 meter. Fourth one, size of a plant cell is 0.00001275 meter. So when you are removing the decimal, 1275 divided by 10 raised to the power 8 meter. For keeping the decimal with 1275, 1.275 into 10 to the power 3 divided by 10 to the power 8 meter. So 10 to the power 3 in the denominator is the power 8. When it comes to the numerator, it will become minus 8. So 10 to the power 3 minus 8, it will become minus 5. So size of the plant cell is 1.275 into 10 to the power minus 5 meter. Question number 5. Thickness of the thick paper is 0.07 mm. So it will become 7 by 100 mm. 7 by, that is equal to, in the exponent form, 7 divided by 10 raised to the power 2 mm. So 7 into 10 raised to the power minus 2 mm. Therefore, thickness of the thick paper is 7 into 10 to the power minus 2 mm. Question number 4. In a stack, there are 5 books each of thickness 20 mm and 5 paper sheets each of thickness 0.016 mm. What is the total thickness of the stack? Thickness of the book is 20 mm. So therefore, thickness of 5 books is 5 into 20, that is 100 mm. Thickness of the paper sheet is 0.016 mm. So thickness of the 5 paper sheets is 5 into 0.016 mm. That will become 0.08 mm. Total thickness of the stack equal to thickness of the books plus thickness of paper sheets, that is 100 plus 0.08 mm. So that will become 100.08 mm. Thus, the total thickness of a stack is 1.0008 into 10 to the power 2 mm. Now, chapter 12 is over.